Though there are very high-end dashboard applications are available in the market, but Excel is always popular because it is easily distributable. Further, there is no installation of software is required other than Microsoft Office. Hi, my name is Devashish. In the next few minutes, I'll tell you about the dashboard I prepared in Microsoft Excel for analyzing sales of some products in global areas. I made this complete platform into three parts. There is a sales analysis dashboard, profit analysis dashboard, and conclusion dashboard. The main aim is to analyze sales and profit of companies in different segments and market, and understanding spending of consumer based on discount offers. These dashboards can be easily navigated by this navigation button provided. Also, this front and rear arrow can be used. Home button will land into the home page. Now we can also use this basic Excel navigation tab for sheet navigation. Okay. In sales analysis, we can see we have only 15 months of data, and this is the plot. White color is sales analysis, and this light violet is showing the trend of COGS. There are some peaks and valley which is very prominent in the latter part of the 2014. The Patio product sold highest number in this segment, and the country which is selling most is the United States, but France is earning more profit. Government sector is selling the most number of product. And there are four types of discount band, mainly three: medium, high, and low. Medium and high almost equally influence the sales. However, low also is near about only. Now, with the help of this navigation button, we can, with the help of this slicer button, we can now find out more deeper trend and for this product. Okay, let's go for Pesio. If we drill down Pesio, this complete sales dashboard has been changed for the Pesio only now. See that Pesio, the pattern of trend of Pesio sales in 2013 and 2014 clearly shows that the sales has increased in 2014, and the highest selling country is Mexico, and but the most profit earned by Canada. Government sector is a highest selling segment. Majority of sales influenced by low and high discount. Now, if we see what is happening in say Mexico, then we can choose this Mexico country slicer. So it is now Paseo product, and in Mexico. So we can see that government segment is the high selling segment, and where medium and high discount actually is very prominent. Further, if we see that what is happening in government segment, we can further drill down it, and we now get the pattern of sales trend in the government segment. Likewise, we can analyze profit also in the profit dashboard. See, in the profit dashboard, this in a trending line, the white and light violet. White indicates the profit, and this line violet actually the profit ratio. Profit ratio is nothing but the ratio of profit and COGS. It is but sometimes we can see that profit is increasing, but that the profit ratio is declining. This mainly in that period the COGS has increased. Okay. You can find more pattern by actually combining different slicer, and this will be very interesting if you can put it in the comment whatever your finding is. Now I will show you the conclusion I made. There may be various different type of conclusion, but in my analysis I have found some pattern which I would like to share with you. So before that I am just uh, turning off these filters. So if we go to the conclusion page, here also I have kept one window for quick analysis of the sales and profit for this product. See, we can see that the United States is highest selling country, and France is earning most of the profit. Pursue is a champion product which sold maximum number and earn profit also maximum. In United States, small business segments and doing very well, and followed by government segment. But in France, we can see that government segment is most profitable. See, the Mexico, the sale is minimum, and this is earning least profit actually. In general, we see that 40% units sold in, under a high discount, and only 6.7% unit sold without any discount. Sales is an rising trend only, and sales and profit influenced by discount. Amarilla product performance shows that highest selling country is France, but the sales in France is declining because the majority of selling happened in government segment, which is declining. However, this sales in enterprise sector and small business sector also declining, though these segments are not profitable. Hence, it is better to increase the discount in government segment so that the sales may increase in that segment. Character performance, so this is in trending in a upward direction also. Monotona is declining in government segment. However, there is a strong positive correlation between discount and sales profit. So hence, discount can be increased to boost up the sale. Peso sold highest in Mexico. The sales is in upward direction. So I think the government sectors required more care, and discount may be happen increased in that sector. Value performance shows that highest selling country is Germany, and it is earning most profit. However, government sector is declining, as well as the though the enterprise sector is going higher, but this is influenced by heavily by discounts, hence not profitable. So it is recommended to increase the discount in government sector. BTT is selling highest in US. So like this, you can find many patterns, and the analysis will be very interesting if you put it on the comment. And please let me know if you require some modification in the dashboard configuration. I'll make it happen. And thank you very much for watching, and please do like, subscribe, and share, so that I can bring this kind of video in the future also. Thank you very much.